Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of gold is moving and how the price of gold can move in the next week. If you look at this chart, this is a 1 year chart, okay, where I'm showing you that the price of gold after making a high in August, it is continuously falling, okay. But what we can see here, this pattern, that we have not seen this pattern in these recent trends. If you look at these three, we have not seen this, that the pattern is break upside and crossing this level. See, now if we look at this chart, a downtrend, and then this particular range, okay, it made a low of around 1674, which is a strong support. Okay, what you have to understand in this, that because it is tested twice, there is a probability that if it comes downside one more time, then we can see that it can break again. But what we are looking at it now, as of now, that 1758 was a strong resistance and it has crossed this level. So we can see that there is a probability, and I have already told in my previous video, if you buy at 1746, there is probability it can touch a level of 58 to 1770, and now the target is already achieved and we are still in the buying position. Then there is a probability that it can touch a level of 1793 also, okay. But before that, we can see at 1777, 1778 another the target. So if you have any doubt regarding your gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or you can join my telegram channel, link in the description. Plus I have given a mail ID also, where you can mail. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how the technicals are working in the gold price, because we can see the lot of volatility is there in the gold prices. And see, the strong support is 60 price comes. So once the price comes around 1680, then we will be creating a sell position. But as of now, we are in the buying position, and because we are seeing a little uptrend, because a particular range has break upside, okay. So now this is a 1 year chart, okay. So with a stop loss of around 1760, we are in the buying position. Now the price is around 771, and the next target will be at a level of 1792 or 1790, okay. Once this level achieved, then we'll be looking for the next target of around 1814. Before that, we'll be around 1800. But if we look at 1 year chart, then the next target will be looking around 1812 to 1814, okay, with a proper stop loss. Then we can create, after touching a level of 1792, we can create a level of target of 1810 to 1812, and this will be our stop loss. So this is a 1 year chart. Now I'll show you 6 months chart. See, if you look at 6 months chart, you will see that after gold was in this particular range, and from there it has fallen and made a new low, and this low has not break, and now in this particular range, once this range is break upside, then the next target will be looking at around 1816, 1814. So before that, we can see 1763 is a good support. So it has already break upside, so 1763 will be treating as a stop loss, okay. And now we'll be setting for a target of around first 1800, and then we'll be looking for 1812 to 1814, okay. So now if you look at this pattern, we can see that the trend of gold was moving in a particular range and has break upside. Then we are on the buying side with a proper stop loss of 1760, okay. If I'll show you 3 months chart, then the target we'll be looking for is around 1779, then 1799 to a level of 1812. Okay, with a proper stop loss. But you have to understand one thing: if you are on a profit of $1,000 suppose, then if it comes down to $800, please exit the trade for the day. Or suppose you are on a profit of $100, and when it comes to 80, then you should exit the trade for the day. Okay, so now if you look at this chart, in this chart, once this the range has break upside, now we are treating 1760 as a stop loss. Or if the price of gold moves below this 1760, then what we looking for the target, next target will be our 1746. Okay, once it break a level of 1760 and with a proper stop loss of 70 and stays below this level, then with a stop loss of 1760 will be going for a next target of around 1746 to 1748. Okay, and if it breaks that level also, then we'll be looking for a target of 1736. All the targets and everything I have told you in my previous video, where you can check the upside and downside targets, but we'll doing with a proper stop loss. And these are all my personal view. Okay, please consult your financial advisor before investing. Okay, now look at this chart. Okay, once 1736 is break downside, then we can set a target of, then we can see that the next target will be our 1723, and once it goes below that level, then 1714. Once 1714 is achieved, then we looking for a target of 1692. Okay, and 1692, but what I have already told you that please keep trailing your stop loss so that you will be in profit. Okay, so look at 1 month chart. The volatility is high. The volatility is high, but we can see that the trend of gold in a 1 month chart is in uptrend. Okay, after, if you look at this chart, see, look at this, making this and in uptrend. So what I would suggest that if it comes close to 1769, trading at a level of 1761, okay, but had already made a high of around 1770, okay, for a month's chart. So what we can suggest that if it comes close to around 1765, then we'll be taking again a buy side, or with a proper stop loss of 1758. Okay, because 1758 is a strong support, and if it goes below this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 1747. Okay, but the month low is around 1724. So if it crosses a level of 1714, then we'll be looking that it can touch a level of 1724, and once 1724 is touched, then we can see that it can go to a level of 1713. Okay, and then further low, you can watch my previous video where I've told and what are the, so this is all the targets. But if we look at overall picture, that the market is volatile, the gold price is volatile, so please trade accordingly and consult your financial advisor before investing. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new